Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round, and then I decide what I work on today. So if I remember correctly, this might be I play all day. Okay, correct project. One command to start, and pm run dev. Okay, now I wrote it correctly. I don't have no test. I had some right changes I was working on, but I think I wanted to do this one. So I decide if start playing game or finish upgrade right change. So I will decide play my game. One thing I need to find out if my cursors are fine for balancing, and for this I need to use them and see how they feel. It started. So and reaching cursors will take a while. It runs in the browser. For me it's localhost. I delete, so I start fresh, and now I wanted to also write down stuff I've seen, which I have to figure out. So if I would be a new player, I get the information here, and hope player understands these are keyword keys to move. Don't know if each person understands what the tab key is. TAB. They press T, they restart. Maybe I have to think. I can restart and it just does. And should I pop information? Confirmation? I think if nothing started, it doesn't matter. But okay. Let's write down ideas. Restart confirmation. Restart information. Display. Restart confirmation when information question when game not ended and started. We start information display when in start area. Because I don't know that this was restart key. Unclear to that restart. Unclear to new user that T is restart key. And I could technically press it because of the tab info. Now, if I know the tab key, I get the paused information. I think this is fine. I get a sniper rifle, snipe speed boost. So turn damage, become musician, place notes in the music sheet to create music. Music does damage. Since information is fine. We start my info multiplayer pause to upgrade. I still have this thing. It's random auto upgrade, but doesn't matter. I cannot press it, or it doesn't upgrade. Pressing E and nothing is happening. I'm interested. Auto upgrade doesn't work anymore. Interesting. Bug G auto upgrade does not work anymore. This is bug. This is change, or is it a feature? Is it, will it improve? This is also improve idea. And I also remember my zoom key is not mentioned. Zoom key not mentioned. I have also play zoom amount, Q and display zoom amount on change. I call it this way. Because I think I need, and I have this is a bug improve on high, on far away zoom rendering broken. Should I call it a bug? I think this is something I should, because if someone else has a bigger screen, I should care it here. It breaks on the right side because I don't paint it. Here I don't paint enemies because I only paint visible ones. Okay, something else. Do I have any let's check if I do time measures. Usually see, yes, this is 0. So my virtual machine has complete problems. But also take these in to see how my FPS behaves. If I zoom out. Now I already cheated, so I restart. Next, is there something I forgot? Maybe it's a change. Distance high score on highest reached distance and not on died on question mark. I mean, I calculate it regardless, so I could save it. Anything else? I'm new, I get here information. Okay, the frames are behind, which is fine. King ability game has a lower his HP, its HP. It doesn't matter. settings are also unclear. Oh, the player global alpha multiplier is not at the right side. This shouldn't be the case. Normally it should be above, so this is confusing. This might be just a coincidence. Call it a bug. Settings menu. Player alpha text below input should be on same line. I think more, but maybe this is for the start, so I only need the player to understand WASD is moving and that he has to choose a class. I could, I mean, if I do not see I hope this is, I mean, I could for the first time force to press it. So I cannot move before I select. Could it be an option? But I think it should be fine. So then I tap, I get more information. I do not know how to unpause. I see P key. But this way I keep some more info. Interesting. So it's maybe I should tap to close. Open more info, close more info. Is this something? Maybe this can be understood. So I hope it's fine too. So I could display close more info. It's unclear that this is some more info at the start. Take this away for now. And maybe the post should be in the middle. The question. I think some stuff here is or I move the paused text up here so it's more clear. It's not explained that tab pauses the game and this would be missed. At least the first time, but it should be noticeable. Yes, okay, I hope this is understandable. Okay, Okay, now my goal is to get to curses. I start, let's say, as a new player. I always see new players mostly run towards small enemies, although it's the least efficient. A sniper. Then basically stand here and shoot enemies. I don't realize that the time ticks up. And see that I get levels, or that the bar goes up. I don't know the effect of it. So I'm just trying this out, I guess. Could see the bigger enemies here, and now I see this circle. I see now blue numbers above my head. I don't know what it means. I get some big enemies. I see the bar above my head is draining, so I could assume this will be my death. I'd be in panic mode and don't see the upgrade. Choose upgrade for snipe. I know I want fireline for this direction. The new player won't know it, will not know it, and how to abuse it. Something was confusing. It looked like they were slowing down. Fireline shouldn't slow them down. This is what happened. I think this text is now better. I was aware of it. Distance reach 2000. Okay, I see some dollar. I think I should be aware of it. Let's take anything. Now I finally feel like I become stronger. I mean, the game doesn't tell me that I should run this part, or I might not know it yet. I'm unaware that later enemies get stronger and give more XP that I also don't know. Doesn't matter, and I can try around to not follow the path. Maybe this should be outline text, but makes it a bit easier to read. Pop-up text achievements outlined. It's an improve or change. Improve for now. Up text for achievement. I outline to easier read it. To make reading easier. To easier read it. To make reading. I still have upgrades. Stay still. Backwards shot. I take backwards shot. I don't take the best stuff. The best is relative. Something is weird with the speed. They are slowed down sometimes. But how do I... Okay, but let's just write it down. Fuck. Enemies speed seem to fluctuate, maybe. But it should not. Okay, something I have to analyze. Yeah, they are jumpy. So something is not as it should be. I take speed. I take another fire line. Take another speed. So something about their movement is incorrect. Level was kill. If I synergy split shot, I can actually take it. Its backwards shot is not so important. It works. I take reduction. $10,000. On the green grass, it's easy to read. Also, that I have an E key button. I'm aware of my speed key, so I survived. Terrain bounce. See my backwards doesn't terrain bound. Okay. I think a bit. Still have my another cooldown. Oh, I see another. I can. Backwards shot is now carrying me. I have both directions safe. I can easier run back. It's also an interesting. I take another fire line. I take another charge. Oh, they hit me. For the average, I have some upgrade strategy. Not totally random, but I guess each does. Didn't get any exponential scaling yet. Okay, I survived. Synergy fire line. I have backwards shot, so I have one synergy. This doubles my fire line damage, my fire line's amount. I take cooldown, I guess. Maybe a duration would have been better, I don't know. Here the slowdown of the enemies, I don't notice it. Oh, there's a new one. Oh, this was dangerous. Slowly my damage is not giving up. Level 9 was. I take split shot. I also don't know how the HP. So I think I don't need a speed yet. I will take another speed, I guess. I think the current. Oh, there's a next. Do I have another? I have another. God. Lag. Wonder what the lag is. I gathered a lot of enemies, maybe. My running back is. I think half damage in this case is helpful because I have synergies for it. I take a charge. Let me this time. Because I have the feeling I now begin to paint enough that my FPS is not keeping up. Oh, there's another word. Died. Didn't I reloaded and this was my death. Okay. But this was one anything else I mentioned. I realized so now I might not recognize this guy that it was me. I might not see that this is new. But I know I have money if I pay attention. HP upgrade building, pay $2 for 20 bonus HP. I don't know how much this is. If I know, I can see it here, but so I do. Now it changed. That I can refund it, I don't know, but I know after the first one and $4 is not a lot. And as I only can invest in bonus HP, I can throw everything in it. There's nothing which displays here yet, because I still want to choose a class. If I want to get 2 curses today, no, it shouldn't be. I improve, yes, let's, so, on it, improv, okay, improve. I played 1 round. Something is, I at least like the sniper. The other ones are more complicated. Also I never read, I can not read. These are upgrades I don't like, I remember. Other was one I'm working on. So if I should understand as a player, I have different classes, but how they work not. The sniper is easy. I want also best distance. Can play sniper again. At least I think sniper is still the highest DPS. No, I never tried, did I? How much damage per second different classes get on a certain... So I could try to check highest damage per second. I think the tower builder is still behind, but he's also an utility tank. It's fine. I could also test what happens if I play it as perfect as I could. Should be my goal. I think I want to do more big enemies. So let's go. I think it should be clear that they give more XP. So new player would still, don't think, run so fast, but who knows. Level 38 before I see the first boss, so he is one shot. Now the strongest is no mist chain. Lit up. Taste. Okay. I should build two sniper. Stay still, so I have both multiplier. Oh god. I totally failed. A slow trail. Okay. Two shot. I take. It's another stay still. Boss kill level 3. Take additional charge. this was dangerous. This is a enemy which can one-shot me if he's under me. Panic mode. Reload, and I failed. I panicked, I didn't reload enough. $13, okay. I might realize I have a new upgrade building here. I invest my money. And maybe I should. This movement speed value, it doesn't tell me much. I mean, I now know here is 0. Maybe base movement speed bonus, or maybe proof upgrade upgrade building speed displays percent base speed increase instead of confusing value. Okay. Now I have two. This is a level 177. This is level 87. Don't think it's enough. But I now play again, I guess. I mean, it will be easier and easier. I am 10% faster. If I pay attention, I see that my damage I can close this one. Okay, 36, 38 again. I go plus damage minus range. It's an easier upgrade. I take slow trail out. Okay. And was ink. Should I go damage again? Multiplier. Take additional charge. Speed is the next one. And I don't stay still for a displays explanation text here, but I want to change it to hover and just display the level. I also didn't try for level 10 was hard. Cannot go turn, let's go more speed, perfect. Also, I realized is synergy upgrades better than all in the 3. Like I make slower progress to fight more bosses. And but this is fine if I will find the curses after a while. Synergy stays still. I actually want this. I take cooldown reduction. Close. Okay, no problem. Split shot or after image? I think I have synergy on stay still. If I take after image, it will, but split shot should also gain from it. I take split shot. I take charge. So in a way, I do more than enough damage. Is each hit a 4 times hit? No, split shot is not synergy yet. Mischief after image, fire line. Take after image because it should also synergize with no stay still, another speed. Here. A lot of enemies, but my damage is very high, so 5 seconds. I think I have very high damage, yes. Take another stay still. This goes from 100 to 200. Yes, this is correct one. Duration. I should not have was good enough. I feel like the big enemies, I don't notice any slowdown. Just the small enemies. Okay, I reached the king area. I wait for the next boss. Cannot see the boss HP, I guess. Could go no mist chain, although I do want more speed. Difficult build up. So let's go to kill boss level 10 and then I take the king. Maybe I should also have a specific level I compare later to. Okay, so it was level 9. Synergy no mist chain. Well, this is hard. If I would play for it, I take it. Cooldown reduction. Oh, they still so charge up. Perfect. One more and I 10. Two, one. $10 for level 10 and I take as a no mist chain. Let's try cooldown reduction. So reload for full bullets and I just okay, I had 10 million damage per second. And now this is my enemy. Yeah, I could also put in the dots. I should check. I call it also improve on and money screen boss HP. What's this called? Because I guess on King of the West I have these HP big number split. Let's call it this way. Okay, but this is fine. Press T to restart. I think I see it. I have money. Experience. Ooh, okay, it will come easier and easier. Tested 123, so it's one more than the West. And now I have King of the West. He is a single target enemy. I now want this. Beat King with class to unlock legendary class. Choose main class. I see class sniper. So, and they don't have a class, so the information can be found. And I still, let's do big enemies to the left, and I go sniper again. Sniper only. Now I see they have sniper guns. I think sniper versus sniper was hard. Different way. Oh, okay, yes, reduced range, I guess. Skill level 1. Split shot it is. Never checked my DPS on the king kill. Can I still see it? Yes, I still can see it. No mist chain. Imagine when it stays still, yes. This is... I wonder if I should think it differently. Because in a sense, to think about it, can however I want, if I'm not mistaken. I don't feel this to be correct. Okay. Change thing about sniper damage meter upgrade split how is it? I have basically rifles percent damage upgrades get too much benefit? Questions. How should it be? If I have basically if I have an more rifles upgrade, this basically without it I would do far less damage. And it does so much because I had synergy upgrades. But how I have damage and range and then I get more rifles. Entire benefit will go to damage and range also. More rifles is basically half of it. I will need to think about it. Another split shot? Do I go terrain once? No, let's go split shot again. And good. It begins. This is, I think, the more fun part. But most people run for the small enemies. They don't even. Okay, doesn't matter. Maybe I could do something like if I defeat small enemies, I will take out small enemies and fill up with something else. So I force the player to play against different stuff. Would be it. And I could put bonuses on random. The least played class could get a bonus. But it doesn't matter yet. I don't even... I think it will be no mist chain, although I don't like it as much. Let's take more rifles. Speed, charge. I'm not that strong this round, I feel like. I go 10 again. Oops. What? I'm dead. No way I survive this. Now. The money upgrade. Sweet frontier, more money, more. Okay, I take this. This percent more money gain. Only sniper today. Now I could go triple 124, 78, 77. Oh, I save more snipers. Like... Okay, my question is, I should run in another direction once. Let's go to the right. No, there's no sniper here. Because I want to see if I see any curse yet. I don't think so. I could. At some point I should see it. Think. They were not that far in with. Six, 37, 38 is about 40, okay. $0.5. I take stay still. Also wanted to try level 10 with different class to see my damage I can get. Take additional charge. Maybe Okay, and I did not see. We'll run a bit up. I will take my rifles. Close. Take a speed. Don't see it at all. Wondering. This is where I expect it. I'm missing something, it feels like. So I know I should see something soon, it's not happening. The first cloud I see, interesting. I should already be relatively close. And as a sniper, I can probably also hit the stuff from far away. Let's go for the clouds a bit. They disappear. I don't remember, can I stay in here? 72 damage, okay. Another stay still. Another speed. What was I do a split shot, I guess. It's to cool down. But that courses take time until I see them is what I want, I guess. That I or find them by accident. But the question is, how long does it take? It takes easier one should be found sooner. Oh, barely missed. I do not have Terranons, I don't know. Take no mission, I guess. Slow trail I didn't have yet. Playing, how long do I play? An hour approximately. No mass chain synergy, I have split, one hit. This is strong. Can another cooldown or duration? I think a new charge. Load. Was this incoming and I do not have high stacks? Oh, don't go up. 350, boss 8. Okay, but doesn't matter. $10. Okay, next building I have damage. This should 20% bonus damage factor. And should I make these rotate again? I think I want bug, call it bug, past character, but they're disabled. I can change how disabling worked. Past character, sniper, rotate weapon, because my past character sniper upgrade more rifles. More rifles does not rotate weapon. Okay. Clear. And I'm still. Let's do a ball once. The goal should be level 10. See what damage I get. And I go. Definitely go shield. I'm pressing too much. Ooh, this was a lot of damage in short amount. And there's a boss. I want bounce shield. I want do the lightning strike again. Is lightning strike the highest damage? Because it can stack with bounces, I guess, yes. Now I'm tanky. Ooh, I think I'm too far in. Let's generate my shield here. Wait for the boss. I should kill him in here. Bounce damage bonus, bounce ball bonus. Okay, this should be. Oh, this was. Here I saw the darkness. Where that it goes. But how far away from. Still quite some distance here is my pass. Okay, the boss will die here in me. I want maximum damage on 10. I think I do more lightning strikes. T6. think the more I take, the more likely I would hit the boss twice if I have enough lightning strikes, even though another bounce damage, lightning strike. Okay. Now I go to also try to keep up with the bounce level, I guess. Oh. Somewhere I need good enough. Got my shield again. And is that more bounce? More lightning strikes, I guess. I think the duration was also increased. Do I mainly care? All has the highest value. Ooh, and I'm dead in so little time. Now I wanted to try level 10 ball. Okay, I failed totally. Another try. I could. Now I don't have the Wii. I want the Wii walls. Let's take. Oh no. Don't go so fine. Because stuff gets more expensive, can do less upgrades. But okay, I take what's shield, lightning strikes until here it's nothing special. Got my shield. How much HP I had? 500 around. Thousand distance, so I want level 10. I should keep myself out from the deep area, I guess. Maybe I go to 10,000 or so and then I stop. Once bonus. And yep. Once. Level doesn't matter that much. The boss will get stronger, so I should be Probably on 10,000 or so. Careful. I take the bounce. Strike bounce bonus. Okay. This wanted for maximum damage. Lightning strikes only, I guess. Lightning strikes damage is not. It's no longer this high. Take another bonus. Could do 1 HP generation because this could be also percentage based, but doesn't matter. 200 will be a lot. I take lightning strikes. Lightning strike was not. I wait here. I should have went in another direction to check the last curses. I know bottom right is darkness, top white is. And I should also check how difficult they are, I guess. I. Yeah. It's 5. Bounce 4. Strikes again. And I felt like the bounce damage was always too strong. How much was it? 200 per stack. I should verify. Ball or change. Ball bounce upgrade too strong. Balance differently. 12,000. I'm on 6. Okay, I survived this. This was dangerous. As a bounce bonus. I do lightning strikes till the end, I guess. They reach me nearly. Oh, I should bounce, so I get my stacks. So if they come from all directions, maybe also the tick. Suppose this one tick interesting. Other bounce, I'm on 8. I do more strikes. On level 116. Careful. Oh. Okay. This hurts a lot. Oh god, I need damage shield again. I do bounce damage and lightning strikes again. Boss 9, so 2 more bosses I want. This it do. Just need to know where the next safe corner is, I guess. This is totally dangerous. Okay, I survived. Lightning strikes all the way. Okay, this looks like safe space. Okay, and this is... Now what will be the highest damage? I need more bounce levels, I guess. But maybe the boss levels will be... gives me the most experience. What type of boss it will be? Was it the most dangerous one? I take the damage and lightning thing. So the goal is, what is my damage burst? I go in with bounce ball left, right, and then I have to stand near. Don't know. Let's wait. And how high are the damage hits? Damage done. I hit him multiple times per flying through. And there were enemy outs. Oh, here I hit enemies. This is why I don't see it all. This was the second time. So I does 4 million ticks. And I hit the same target multiple times. Moving through it. Damage meter. Bounce ball. Lightning strikes. Lightning strikes also did 4 million, but I have hit a lot. Okay. So this was level 10 ball. The try. I don't need reroll damage. I think money was. Now. This ball? No, this is not the strong ball. This is a very strong ball. I will go sniper small enemies, I guess. Get my legendary. I should decide if I make any change today. Some. So I can reach curses, I could, but which curse is interesting? I could try to play with the darkness curse. Or let's try to play with curses. Always only one. So poison is the one I'm still missing. Poison and small enemies. I will see. Okay. $1.6. I am. Do I take terrain bounce or do I take split? I think split is easier. I take slow trail. I never effectively use it. And yes, I should pay attention again to the slowdowns of the enemies. They are definitely happening, I'm sure. Something is off. I have to find out what, but I guess I play for now. Terrain bounce, half damage. I don't like its reroll. Another split shot. Okay, let's take terrain bounce. Forgot if my main bounce could split. Don't think it can. It can, okay. Additional charge. But I feel like it's on a certain distance to me. Say, move slower. Or is it like they are unclear if they should run away or follow me, and they are ticking besides 2 states? Why Fireline? I go up. I take additional charge. Always forget that curses I have to fight while bosses spawn. Don't see any curse yet. That's interesting. Here is. Okay, this is poison. So bottom should be zinc poison. I cannot play with sniper. And 10 points is too hard. I take another fire line, I guess. Let's wait for the boss. He's a sniper, he's not so near to me. I take speed. Oh, I didn't. I take more rifles. Take another speed. Did I miss to skill? I guess, or did I? Do something else incorrectly? So I should expect the snow area. I didn't see any snow yet. Not snow, ice. I'm missing ice. Yeah. I died. What? Combat lock. Damage taken. 180. Oh, he's hitting pretty hard. This was boss 7. I cannot see the boss, but he will have my upgrades. And I was a hard single target. Okay, next sniper. Need to think a bit. I barely get. If I would do achievements, I have no high achievement. Get cursed is $150. I think this is one of the easier ones. And because I have increased money, so I want to try to get, what was the ice curse I want? To be able to reach it, to see what was the other enemy type. So it's 2 times medium enemies? Yes, okay. It's harder to find, but I take split shot. Slow trail. I would be on the downboard. I would get normal bosses. Easier for a sniper. Which boss do I get? I get a sniper. I take more rifles. here I begin seeing the ice patches. First time I see this and could be confused what it does, but once I know it, it's clear. And I take more rifles again. Additional charge. At least I realize it's now happening. What? More? Can I? Okay, and here is mine. I at least know it. Now here's something. Is this an easy? Was this an easy? I cannot. Did I see it? There's something in the middle. I don't know if. Okay, I have to fight this while enemies come in. And I did not see. And are not many options. I see it. I don't. They are stuck forever here, I think. No, they can. Okay. Let's pause and solve it. I don't waste infinite time. I come down here. I can hit this one. And it ends here. I don't see. So I have to hit. Cannot hit this side. And it has to be the top side here. The top side I would hit here. So it'd be here. Here. Have. I don't see the solution. Even though it's only 3. Can this be? I hit side, can go down, wide. Okay, I see. If I hit the right side here, if I hit this one, if I hit this one from the top, I now see it. Okay. Okay. No! I pressed the wrong button. But I saw the solution, it was doable. I think I want to do small changes. So that I can see that I worked on something today. Main, I think I'm on 355 today with my I wanted to play with a curse. I did check balancing, so I have something simple. Think about sniper damage, meter upgrade split. It's hard. Proof restart confirmation question when game not ended and started. So that I need to press twice or something. Zoom key not mentioned. Display zoom amount unchanged. Let's do this one. In my case, this will help me because No, wait. I have two cases. Change distance. Yeah. So I want to check. This is a pop-up text and I can. The zoom text should behave differently. It should be a different one. It's 18 minutes and I also need a break. Could I take a small break, I guess. I will be back. And I'm back. I wanted to do some small stuff. So I have outlined text, but it is not used for achievements. Okay, but I want to do stuff which does not require resetting my state because I want to continue playing this. Which means I restart, I don't get the past character. Okay, this is fine. So I can do this check. Oh. So here, this text will be allowed to be outlined. And I have outlined text. When do I use outlined text? Is it here? This is outlined text. And I think this is what I want to use for Zoom. So let's find out. I did it before and it took me a while to find it. What do I need to find? Maybe game paint? I paint everything up here. I am... Is this Zoom dependent? I actually don't know. This is dependent from Zoom, so it's a floating text, I guess. Is it? Damage, is this part of damage numbers? Would be. So this name would not be quite correct. I have damage numbers. I put in floating text sounds like correct. Display text data. So this is already changed and I display text at camera position. The model is in text data, color font size with move time. So outlined could be another information I add. Layer push to fixed. Add money to money amount. This is the one I was searching. So here I do this. I want to be outlined. This would mean, as I assumed, I would need to add outlined here, outlined boolean. Now I would need to I forgot. How did I find to it? Here, I'm an idiot. So the last one. Paint text data. Duration 1 second. Probably have to do outlined false. No, it's boolean and it's false. And here I do outlined. This can now be set, and I want it to be true in this case. And if I paint these things, which is probably happening in floating text, and damage numbers, and this is no longer damage numbers, so I should rename it. So how should I call it? Paint floating texts? Floating texts. So this should be changed, I hope. Yes. Because paint text data. Okay, it's not floating text. Maybe paint text data. Text data, I call it this way. Let's in text data. I fill text if data outlined. This is this case, and I have paint text with outline tx outline color. I allow a color to be set. Fill style. Just verify what I usually take. White, black, white, data color. I take text is data text. And I have paint x, paint y plus time left, centered, line width, background color. So let's try this one. I restart. I can cheat because if as long as I restart, come back. It's outlined, so it looks correct. Let's go here. Should wanted to see is a case where it's over. Okay, I think it helps a bit. And damage numbers don't do it, so it should be fine, I believe. So this should be and call it money text outlined for better readability. What else? Number, this is readability renamed. Okay, perfect. Commit. I am interested in displaying the zoom. And display zoom, I wanted to try not, because I cannot update this text, I have to check. I called it let's try it. This was sniper. This is here. This is a specific other game paint. stack text data. Was it this one? Data has image. Okay, I go back to game paint. Stack text data. In stack text data. Also floating text. How is this handled? I have a text, I have a countdown timer, removal time. So how do I not create new ones? I have a text. If this is my character, I do it. Zoom is not. Do I have a key which is not connected to something? Here I have an ID reference. Okay, ID is a number. And ID is usually stack data. Remove time, ID, paint data, I have no reference. Text, I have where I push it. Timer I don't need. Image I also don't need. Okay, so something with this one. When I zoom, now I need to find out where I zoom. Mouse wheel, zoom canvas. I have the game. I would now want to game. This is UI. Should not need paint closes. No, seems not to be UI. Shouldn't need to be in state. Stack. Where could it be? Additional paints. Additional paints? Particles, no. Where did I put it? Oh, there's more. State testing, performance multiplier, mouse, game speed, debug. Is everything. It should have been UI in my case. Display text data is different one. Okay, I need to check again. Where did I push? Stack text. Am I blind? UI? Stack. Yes, I'm blind. Okay. Text is zoom factor. Zoom factor. This is a number to fixed 2, I guess, or 1. Current time is game state time. Timer. Removal time IDUF. I want an IDUF. So question mark is undefined. Undefined IDUF is, call it zoom ID. So I have no idea. So it's, I don't care for integers, so So the possibility of this happening slow image I do not have. Now I try. No? Push paint, so I zoom canvas, this definitely happens. And I push this one in, so there must be stuff relevant for some reason. Not undefined, should be visible for a second. I'm unsure. Let's debug. Where do I need to look? Floating text. Floating text. Relatively early. So I believe, no, it's not happening. Push. Push is not happening. Push stick paint text data. So I go to player input. Go to 240 around. Zoom canvas, it's not here. I saved, it's in mode, so it should. Oh, there it is. But it doesn't update. Ooh, this is not what I want. So if I found it, I actually want also to change the text. Let's try it. And this is found text. Oh god, so much. Found text is text, so it is. Did it? Finish. So let's try. Okay, I've missing text. This is sing zoom. Okay, and can I put in a higher? I guess not. This should be fine. One, zoom 2, zoom 0.5. What? No, it's correct. Okay, I'm sorry. 6, but I feel like I need one more decibel because it can be. Sometimes the same. 18736 5. So here I have 2 fibers. I can reach. Okay, this is fine for me. Okay, small changes. I've reached my 2-hour mark. can push this in as display zoom amount and change. This would be I now run my tests because the damage numbers now have an if more in it, so it could basically %. It's a short which is maybe my console bigger than usual. %, 15% change. Maybe last time I did something, it's bad times or so, but based on what code I changed, there shouldn't be this much changes. Could also always be a browser upgrade, let's call it. Or that my virtual machine was for some reason slower. But who knows? I'm used to the setup that JavaScript performance varies a lot. No verifiable reason, let's call it. Just realized I won as tamer against the sniper. Interesting. No upgrades. I want to see the screen resolution. I think I had it in my test data. First, let's watch it to the end. Why is okay? I'm interested in here. This one. This was 184 versus 5. Yes, it's minimal difference. Can be 14%. Okay, but everything works. No failed test. It's expected, so I push. Minor changes will be deployed. Still, my goal is to play around with all cursors. But it's a lot of time until I reach check curse balancing. So basically check fountain. If I want to reach this one, I'm not allowed balancing. And it's quite a lot of playtime. That's fine, I guess. I mean, I will see next time, I guess. Okay, I come to an end for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.